Welcome. I am your expert technical instructor. Today, we will explore designing and implementing appropriate metrics and queries for security within your DevOps pipelines. Let's begin securing our workflows. Security must be integrated seamlessly into the continuous delivery lifecycle, transforming DevOps into DevSecOps. Establishing appropriate security metrics begins with understanding the capabilities of tools like GitHub Advanced Security. By measuring the volume, severity, and frequency of security alerts, transformation teams can gauge their overall security posture. Implementing these metrics allows organizational leadership to balance feature delivery velocity with necessary security hardening, ensuring compliance without bottlenecking developers. Please remember to like, subscribe, and visit quicktechie.com for premium certification prep, including Q&A banks, ebooks, audiobooks, training, and interview guides. This YAML snippet initializes GitHub Advanced Security Code QL scanning within an Azure pipeline, the first step in gathering code-level security metrics. This flowchart illustrates the foundational security pipeline. Source code is scanned by CodeQL, the resulting metrics are aggregated, and finally visualized on a security dashboard. A critical security metric is tracking the accidental exposure of sensitive information. Designing a robust strategy for managing application configuration data involves integrating Azure Key Vault with Azure pipelines. This enables applications to retrieve secrets dynamically, without storing them in source control. Concurrently, implementing secret scanning queries helps teams monitor how often credentials are inadvertently pushed to repositories. High metrics in secret detection indicate a need for better developer training regarding secure file handling and environment variable management. Please visit quicktechie.com for premium certification prep. This task connects the pipeline to an Azure Key Vault, allowing the secure retrieval of stored secrets and certificates during deployment. Here we see the secret management flow. Commits are scanned, and if secrets are detected, the pull request is blocked. Safe code proceeds to use Azure Key Vault. Modern applications rely heavily on open-source packages, introducing significant supply chain risks. Designing metrics for dependency vulnerabilities is paramount. By integrating dependency scanning tools, organizations can continuously query their repositories for outdated or compromised third-party libraries. Tracking the time to remediation for these dependencies provides a quantifiable metric of a team's responsiveness to emerging security threats, ensuring the application configuration data remains uncompromised. Please remember to like, subscribe, and visit quicktechie.com for premium certification prep. This task automates the scanning of project dependencies, identifying known vulnerabilities in third-party libraries to generate compliance metrics. The dependency scanning process. The package manifest is analyzed against a vulnerability database, generating alert metrics for any compromised libraries found. Security is deeply intertwined with overall code quality. To capture comprehensive security metrics, you must integrate static application security testing, or SAST, tools like SonarQube, into your Azure pipelines. These tools measure factors like cyclomatic complexity and code maintainability, which directly correlate to security vulnerabilities. By defining strict quality gates, you enforce a metric-driven approach where code must meet minimum security thresholds before it can be merged into the main branch. Please visit quicktechie.com for premium certification prep, including extensive Q&A banks. Executing a SAST analysis via SonarQube evaluates the source code for structural flaws, bugs, and security vulnerabilities prior to compilation. This visual demonstrates the SAST quality gate. Code undergoes analysis, and if the quality gate fails, the pipeline halts immediately. To eliminate the need for hard-coded credentials, enterprise DevOps teams must explore workload identities and implement managed identities. By configuring Azure resources to use Microsoft Entra ID authentication seamlessly, you reduce the attack surface dramatically. Appropriate metrics in this domain involve querying identity access logs to monitor which service connections are accessing specific resources. Tracking the adoption rate of managed identities across your application portfolio is a key indicator of your evolving security maturity. Please remember to like and subscribe to quicktechie.com. This Azure CLI command provisions a service principal, establishing a secure workload identity for pipeline automation without relying on user passwords. The authentication flow using managed identities. The pipeline acquires a token dynamically to securely authenticate with the Azure Resource Manager. Unresolved security vulnerabilities should be explicitly tracked as a critical form of technical debt. By utilizing Azure boards, teams can tag specific work items as security debt. Designing queries to aggregate these tagged items allows project managers to measure the accumulation of security flaws over time. This metric is essential during sprint planning, ensuring that adequate team capacity is allocated to refactor insecure code and upgrade dependencies before the technical debt severely impacts delivery capability. Visit quicktechie.com for premium certification resources. This work item query language, WIQL statement, retrieves all active backlog items tagged as security debt, providing a clear metric for sprint planning. The lifecycle of security debt. Vulnerabilities are logged, queried during sprint planning, and explicitly prioritized for remediation. The culmination of designing security metrics is the creation of a centralized security dashboard in Azure DevOps. By integrating widget views that display code QL results, key vault access logs, and security technical debt burndown charts, transformation teams gain real-time visibility into compliance. This data-driven approach fosters a continuous improvement loop, shifting the organizational culture toward a proactive, security-first mindset. Please remember to like, subscribe, and visit quicktechie.com for premium certification prep, including Q&A banks, ebooks, audiobooks, training, and interview guides. This CLI command automates the addition of a query-based widget to a dashboard, ensuring security metrics are always highly visible to the engineering team. The final feedback loop. Security telemetry feeds into the widget engine to populate the dashboard, driving continuous security improvements.
Welcome to quicktechie.com. So just type in quicktechie.com here. Then you can go through the material which is provided by Quicktechie. So we have first of all video courses which you can go here and you can find the various video courses across the technologies as well as finance domain. So if you see in Microsoft, we have 8 programs currently running. Next, you can go through the ebooks available. So all the ebooks which are in PDF format today, and you can download this. So let me go through Microsoft certification ebooks. You can click on any of this and you can see this is the PDF available for you to download. So these are the premium ebook mostly available on quicktechie.com platform only. Now the second part is exam simulator. As we primarily focus on the all technology companies and finance domain certification preparation material, so this is company wide listed here and you can go through this. So let me go through the Microsoft one again. You can see these are all Microsoft related certification. AB730 exam, if you open it, so you can see here this, and all the practice papers are available here. Today we have 5 practice paper. So click on the first practice paper. It would load the questions. You can answer this question. This is way you can answer it and you can move to the next question. Now third material we wanted to highlight is an audiobook. So we started recently with the audiobooks as well, which you can listen on the go, and various technology wise ebooks are available. And at the last, this is our alumni. These people who are subscribing to our courses and this platform, they are all listed here. And at the end, I wanted to tell you, if you find any course or training or certification preparation material which you want to get us prepare for yourself, please put on the comment section. If you're watching on YouTube, on Udemy, or on this platform itself, quicktechie.com, then please put the comment, or you can even send an email to using this contact us options here. You can directly do the WhatsApp message. You can call us on this numbers as well.